Hi guys, welcome to Dark Deception. From what I've heard, this is basically just Pac-Man, but as a horror game. I've already played just a little bit of the first level just to try it out to see if it would make for a good video. So, yeah, let's start on the game.
Dark Deception.
It is done. Now, my faith lies in darkness. What's done? What lies in darkness? Hello there. I've already read this and it's pretty boring, so I'm just gonna skip this.
You can't fear.
Alright, cool.
The pieces to a powerful ring are hidden in nightmares behind each of these portals. Find them and bring them to me, and you'll get your wish. Fail, and you'll find there are fates far worse than death awaiting you here.
Shut. Alright, cool.
Clock's ticking.
Let's go. Oh yeah, and this game is free on Steam. Well, at least the first chapter is, so link in the description. Play it if you want. Monkey Business. Yeah, this one I've already played a little bit of.
What a charming little hotel. Bring back any memories?
Welcome, breakfast and murder, free every day until 10 a.m. Well, let's hope it's after 10 a.m. I don't want free murder. I knew you were gonna do that. I've done this before, idiot. Oh yeah, this part. Hello there, sir. How are you doing? Pretty epic. Alright. Let me in. Okay, cool. Alright, now we're getting into like the Pac-Man part of it. Basically, we just have to like collect all the dots in the maze. Except there's scary monkey guys chasing us, so yeah.
Now listen closely.
Press X to skip the tutorial. Boom. Okay, so this thing is like our map, just showing us where all of our dots are, crystals, I guess. So let's go. Basically, that red crystal I just got, it shows you where the enemies are on the map, so it's pretty useful. Okay, 20 shards. Oh frick! I hear someone. Which doesn't make sense because I don't see anyone on the map. Maybe the game glitched out? I don't know. Okay. Okay, we're good. It's supposed to show where they are on the map, so that doesn't make sense why I was near him. Oh crap, I hear him. Go. Okay, we're fine. Oh crap, I hear him. Oh frick. He's right behind me. Oh, another one. Okay.
That's what you get for monkeying around with monkeys.
Two of them came for me from either side. There's nothing I could have done. So, let's go again. It was supposed to show me where they were, though. That was unfair. I got the crystal. Okay. I heard him for a second, but we're good. Okay, come on. Okay, 50 shards, not bad. Come on. Oh, I heard one. Crap. Come on, go fast. I wanna get a good look at one of them though. Next time I hear one coming, I'm just gonna turn around. Wait, there's a power up here. Enemy stunned. Nice. Oh shoot, half the shards.
I would have told you to be shredded.
Oh, shut up, lady. Come on. Oh crap, I thought I heard one. Come on. Okay. Crap, I heard one. It's right behind me. It's right behind me. Oh frick. Okay, cool, I looked at him. That's all I wanted to do. Okay, I still hear him. Go. Okay, we're fine, we're fine. Oh frick. Oh! He's right there, he's right there. Oh shoot. There he is, there he is. Hi. Oh my god. Oh! Oh, go. I'm pretty sure there's 3 monkeys in this maze, so that's a pleasant thought. Okay, come on, hit these all. Go back and hit these. Okay, cool. It's just so scary, because, crap, because there could be a monkey around every corner, just like that. Crap. And I'm pretty sure they can use the doors to like, oh crap. Go, go, go. Alrighty. Oh crap! I was looking at the map and didn't even notice him there for a second. Ooh! 2 of them are after me. Go, go, go. Come on. Crap, stop! Stop chasing me. Meanies. I still hear his footsteps. Go, go, go. Crap, I hear one, I hear one, I hear one. Oh frick. He was right there, he was right there. Go. Okay, we're fine, we're fine. Crap. Come on. Alright, we're good, we're fine. Oh, 200 shards, we've gotten 200. Oh crap, he's behind me, he's behind me. Go, go, go. Come on. Okay, we're good now. Go. Oh, frick. Alright. We only have 23 left. We can do this. Oh, come on. These 2. These ones. Okay, come on. This is fine. Come on. Crap! Stop. I hear him, I hear him, I hear him, I hear him. Crap. Crap. It's so scary when you hear them right behind you sniffing. Okay. This way. Get these. Crap. Crap, crap, crap. Hear him, hear him. Okay, we're good. Just 4 left. Just 4 left. This is fine. And here, look, here's 2 of them right now. 2 of them right here. 1, 2. Come on. Oh! Go. Ah! Oh! Oh my gosh. Okay. Well.
Death by monkey? Oh dear, how embarrassing.
Okay, still 2 lives left. We can do this. And it saves too, so I still only have 2 left to get. Okay, I see the 2. I see the 2. Okay, get that one. Get this one.
Gather
Go
all
back.
of
Go
the
back.
soul shards. The ring piece is now
Okay.
exposed.
Come on.
The monsters will go into the rings.
Oh crap.
Get to the ring piece before Mr.
Okay.
Monkey finds you.
Come on, give it. Oh, we did it. Level 1 complete.
Shoot, he knows you're here now. You need to escape. Get to the portal. Hurry!
Oh crap. Go, let me through. Come on, come on, come on. Come on. Oh shoot. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Oh, shoot. I haven't made it this far yet. I haven't even beaten this one yet when I was testing it. Whew. Crap. Alright, everything from now on is new to me. Okay, come on, run, run, run. Oh frick, oh frick. Ah!
There's no escape for
Oh shoot, that's a lot of monkeys. What's up, monkeys? Okay. That was cool. Oh, I got a B. Piece of crap. Okay. What is this? Oh god. To be continued in chapter 2. Oh, okay, so apparently there only was one level. So I'm done with the game unless I want to pay for chapter 2, so. Alright, cool. Alright, yeah, this ended up being a short video, but the game ended sooner than I thought it would, and I beat the monkey one on my first try because I've already had practice, so. And yeah, see you guys in the next episode. Bye.